up a little bit. Help him out. Yeah! Good job. Look at that one.
Now hold the line.
We could have catched it.
Hold the line.
We could have catched it more
Smile, boys.
than I'm leaving the house.
Wait, Sean's next.
Look up, Sean.
Look up the smile, Sean.
Oh, hold on.
Hey, that I think is the biggest one yet.
Good
No,
job.
I caught the biggest one.
Oh, you
yet.
caught the biggest
No.
one? Okay.
Yeah, this one's the biggest.
Well, we're going to find out because he's going to measure
Watch
that.
out,
Both
Alex.
did.
Move back.
Alex, we both did. Not you. We both did.
Oh, Sean, we can't both do everything.
Yes, we can.